Next, we have 3 and 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 and 2 over 5. So first, convert natin itong mga mixed fraction into a improper fraction. We have 3 and 3 over 4. First, copy lang natin yung denominator na 4. Tapos, we multiply 3 times 4, that is 12. Because 12 divided 4, that is still equal to 3. Then, add lang natin yung fraction na 3 over 4. So, we have 12 plus 3, that is 15. Tapos, copy lang natin yung denominator na 4. So, for the mixed number na 3 and 3 over 4, yung kanyang improper fraction is 15 over 4. So, next, we have 2 and 3 over 5. Same lang, copy lang natin yung denominator na 5. We multiply 2 times 5, that is 10. Tapos, add lang natin din yung fraction na 3 over 5. So, we have 10 plus 3, that is 13. Tapos, copy lang natin yung denominator na 5. So, we have 13 over 5. So, we can proceed now sa pag-multiply ng ating mga improper fractions. So, we have 15 over 4 multiplied by 13 over 5. So, we multiply 15 times 13, that is 195. Tapos, 4 times 5, that is, of course, that is 20. So, our answer is 195 over 20. So, this fraction can be divided by 5. So, kung meron tayong improper fraction, tingnan lang natin kung divisible ba siya by any number. So, in this case, it is divisible by 5. So, we divide both sides by 5. So, we have 195 divide 5, that is 39. Tapos, 20 divide 5, that is 4. So, in this improper fraction na 39 over 4, i-convert natin siya into a mixed number. So, first, we divide 39 by 4. So, that is 9.75. So, disregard lang natin yung 0.95. So, ang i-copy lang natin na whole number is itong 9. So, that is 9. Tapos, we multiply 9 times 4. Ito, 9 times 4, that is 36. Tapos, we subtract 39 minus 36, that is 3. Tapos, copy lang natin yung denominator na 4. So, for this improper fraction, yung kanyang mixed fraction is 9 and 3 over 4. So, for this problem, our answer is 9 and 3 over 4.